Today I want to try a test when it comes to staining. So I have my favorite stain here, and I want to test this out on a pine board to see what gives me the best finish so it's not blotchy. You've maybe heard a wood conditioner is recommended. It says so on the back of your stain. And so I want to give it a test. I want to try a piece of pine, and this board is sanded, and I'm going to try it with no conditioner, the conditioner, and then water. I actually use the water method, and so I want to test it out to see if it actually is better or the same as conditioner, or if it doesn't even do anything at all and I'm looking at the no conditioner look with the water. Again, this piece of wood is sanded. That will make a difference, and I would recommend sanding any piece of wood that you are going to stain. It says so on the container. So let's test it out. Okay, so for this test, again, I said I'm using no conditioner, conditioner, and water. So I have to apply the conditioner and the water before the stain. So I'm going to do this conditioner, and I'm going to follow the instructions to apply it. You can use a paintbrush to apply this, but my favorite method is always a rag because it can be thrown away after. So you apply it to the board, and it says allow it to penetrate for 1 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to let it sit for a little while before we apply the stain. Okay, and then next, because this has got to sit too, this is just a rag, a damp rag with some water on it. So I just am going to wet this board and let it sit too. So, conditioner, water. And now we're going to let them sit for, about a minute, maybe 2, and then come back and apply the stain. So, I'm going to now apply my stain. And again, I do like to use just a rag. You can use paintbrush, but I find that old t-shirts work amazing when you're using stain because you can just throw them away afterwards. So I have my stain on my rag, and I'm just going to wipe it. Hurrying to another test again on the back side of this, just to give you another test just to confirm it. Well, we finished testing the stain. It's not all the way dry yet, but I wanted to show you the differences. So this is the water one, this is the nothing, so it has nothing on it, and this is the conditioner. And as you can see, there is a difference. You'll notice the blotchiness in this wood, and the water one actually has a deeper stain color than the conditioner. The conditioner is very light. So I think it depends on what kind of method you're wanting or what kind of finished look you are wanting. And again, I did it on the back side, and this guy has actually been drying for longer. And again, no conditioner, conditioner, and the water. And you can see, again, the difference between these two, the color difference. I personally still like the water look, but you can decide which one you want. So again, here is this side and the one I just did again, so you can tell the difference yourself. I hope this helps you to stain your next project on what to use. I personally will be using the water because I don't have to buy it, where the conditioner, I have to pay for it. And I do like that it actually makes the wood a little bit darker with the color that I wanted. So there you go.